Hare Krishna, good evening, welcome all of you all for our Saturday evening Bhagavatam class. So we are in the second canto of the Bhagavatam, chapter 1. We have completed up to verse number 26, but we will start from, verse number 28, but we will start reciting from verse number 26, and then we will try to understand the core explanations which God is giving, or rather Shukdev Goswami is giving about the Lord's Virata Rupa, the universal form. जो हम लोग अक्सर कहते हैं ना, भगवान का विराट स्वरूप है, भगवान का एक इफ यू हैव रेड द पुरुष सूक्त कितने लोगों ने पढ़ा है भाई? नीचे सुना है? नहीं सुना? सुना है. पुरुष सूक्त इज ऑल्सो टॉक्स अबाउट द एंटायर विराट रूपा. तो विराट रूपा में सब सहस्र पुरुष, सहस्र शीर्ष, सहस्रपाद से ही स्टार्ट होता है वो. मतलब unlimited heads, unlimited legs, unlimited hands. I mean, this is actually unconceivable for a common man. Thousands of heads, thousands of hands, thousands of legs. We are habituated to see someone with might be 2 hand, 4 hand. तब तक समझ में आता है. Thousands of heads, thousands of bodies, thousands of legs. It is something inconceivable. But that is the greatness of God. We are so small that we cannot conceive God. Now, before we start, let us understand. This is a understanding which I have mentioned in the book also. Sat Chit Anand. We all know God is Sat Chit Anand. Okay. We are a part of God, right? Or produced from God. So, are we also Sat Chit Anand? Yes. Yes. But in a very, very minute quantity. Now, how different it is. This Madhvacharya explains in his Dvaita philosophy. He says, Sat. What is the meaning of Sat? Sat means eternal, जो हमेशा था, पहले से था. तो सत का मतलब इटर्नल है. तो भगवान इटर्नल है. हम अपने आप को भी इटर्नल मानते हैं. But we have a cause of our birth or of our creation. What is the cause? Lord is the cause. But does God have a cause of His creation? Then is our Sat and His Sat the same? I'm sorry to say, this Dvaita philosophy of our Madhvacharya, which is our actual Acharya of our Sampradaya, so to say. Here we call ourselves Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. तो मध्वाचार्य का philosophy तो सीखना चाहिए. It was there in Udupi. You have to go once, चंद्रकांत, you have to arrange. वहाँ पे एक बार उड़की, कृष्णा टेम्पल उधर है. मध्वाचार्य का घर है. आज भी वो घर है. 7 मठ जो मध्वाचार्य ने बनाया, 7 मठ है, और वो विग्रह तो ढूंढा हुआ है. एंड मध्वाचार्य कैसे वो विग्रह को लेके आए, दैट स्टोरी इज ऑल्सो देयर. इट्स नॉट अ स्टोरी विग्रह मेड, इट वॉज गॉट फ्रॉम द बोट जब सिंक हो गया था, उसमें से लेके आया उनको. शंकर अपना मध्वाचार्य को सपना है. एंड ही इज नन अदर देन भीमा, वायुदेव. मेनी पीपल, आई हैव गॉन टू दैट प्लेस. आई हैव गॉन टू दैट प्लेस. इन फैक्ट देयर इज वन ब्यूटीफुल ट्री. वहाँ पे यू गेट रेड टाइप सीड्स रहता है. गुड़गंजी ना. हाँ, वो एक्चुअली उसके फादर बहुत डेप्ट में थे. Madhvacharya's father was in debt. So the debtor used to come and daily harass him. तो एक दिन उसको got irritated. What do you want? Why are you troubling me? Madhvacharya said, come here. He took this food, few seeds, packed them, and he said, you take it. Your money is returned back. Go. You go and keep it in your house. You will get your money back. The debtor takes the 4 seeds, goes there, and he opens and he says he gets more money than what he had given. So आज भी वो प्रथा है. वहाँ जाओगे ना तो 2 दाना ला के आपके तिजोरी में रख लो. कभी आपका अंदर पैसे का अभाव नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, आई मीन सर व्हाट से कर्मकांड बोलो, जो भी बोलो, बट आज भी वो सिस्टम है. वो पेड़ आज भी है. एंड उनका घर पे जो बर्तन का साइज है इतना ह्यूज, जम्बो. बिकॉज भीम ना, वो अपने आप उठाते थे, वायुदेव. सो मध्वाचार्य ही सेज दिस इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ सत. सत वो भी है, सत हम भी हैं, बट हमारा नैनम चिंतन शस्त्र नहीं है, हमारा सत्य मतलब हमारा सोल कभी मरता नहीं है, कटता नहीं है, कभी जलता नहीं है, एंड ऑल दैट. Whereas God, but still we have a cause of our creation or birth. Then he says, all two souls are not equal. No two souls are equal. All souls are variegated. There is a variety. High class, middle class, low class, sub varieties. That is what is the reflection through their gunas. एक ही परिवार में दो बच्चे होते हैं या चार भाई होते हैं, एक का गुण अलग रहता है, दूसरे का गुण अलग है. क्यों? एक ही माँ बाप, एक ही संस्कार, सेम हाउस, सेम environment is the same, but still one brother has got one guna, second brother has got another guna. Why? This is because of past and the quality of the soul. That is how that determines the quality of the soul. Then he says chit. Chit is knowledge, consciousness. You are conscious about yourself. But then what is that actual chit? God is all knowing. He knows the past, present and future. Lord says in the Bhagavad Gita, Vedam samtitani vartamani cha arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani maam tu vedana kasyana. Whereas हमको knowledge अगर कुछ है तो भी हमको किसी गुरु से लेना पड़ता है. We have to take it from an bona fide teacher. Secondly, when you take this knowledge, still there are chances that your knowledge may get obscured or covered by Maya or any other thing. But the Lord doesn't never come under Maya. He never comes under, gets covered. So Chit is also different between God and, last but not the least, Anand. What is bliss? For Lord, it is 100% bliss. Bliss means what? He is Lord in tension. अरे रावण आया, अभी मैं क्या करूँगा, और अपने सामने कोई शेर आ गया था, अभी मैं क्या करूँ. So that's the difference. He is relaxed. He is smiling. He is always smiling. Whether it's Rakshasa, because he is the supreme. So he has nothing. Everything is under him. He is not under. He is supreme. He is in bliss. We have to also get bliss. But when do we get bliss? When do we get bliss?
When we serve.
That is sense pleasure. Feel good factor. Only when you get connected with Him. Till you don't get connected with God, you do not experience any bliss. So are we equal in Satchitanand? We need a connection, or we need to get liberated. And that too, with Lord's presence, we enjoy bliss. We enjoy bliss. It's not that we don't enjoy, but only with respect to connection with God. Whereas when it comes to God, He is self-enjoying. He is always enjoying. He Himself is enjoying Himself. So that is what is called as, and that is why Acharyas say, you take a big pot of honey and you put one, let's say a spoon or a straw, you put inside and you draw out of it. कितना बड़ा बूंद निकलेगा? All attach करके एक बूंद रहे. मतलब इतना बूंद में पूरा दुनिया फैला बना दिया. इतना एक छोटे से बूंद में that much of sweetness or bliss or whatever you call it, उससे पूरा दुनिया बना दिया. And rest, everything, He is the repository of all bliss. So this is what one can understand from this. So now we will understand the Virata Rupa with respect to what Shukdev Goswami explained. Please read from verse number 2.1.26.
Persons who have realized it have studied that the planets known as Patal constitute the bottoms of the feet of the universal Lord, and the heels and the toes are the Rasatala planets. The anklets are Mahatala planets, and his shanks constitute the Talatal planets.
So from Patal Lok, that is from Patal planet, Patal, Rasatal, Talatal, this is how the Virat Rupa of the body is being constituted. So जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि इतने नीचे इतने planets से ऊपर इतने planets हैं, this actually represents the body of the Lord. Again as I said, आगे future आगे बोलेगा The hair is trees of the Lord. The veins are the rivers flowing in the world. So that is also another representative way of understanding. And last he will say Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. So these are all various ways in which you can imagine or understand the Lord's Virat Rupa. Please continue.
The knees of the universal form are the planetary system of the name
Sutal.
Sutal, and the two thighs are the Vitala and Atala planetary system. The hips are
Mahitala.
and outer space is the depression of his navel.
Yes, this space is the depression of his navel, is the dark space what we see. That is why we are not able to understand the entire creation. Today आज आइसलैंड पे बहुत झगड़ा चल रहा है. हाँ? We don't know. Greenland. Sorry, Greenland के ऊपर we don't have any knowledge. If you go as per Shastra, South Pole is attached. Earth is not in an orbit. Shastra says Earth is attached. It is standing on the 4 Digpal, that is the 4 elephants. Directional elephants है ना 4 हाथी के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर हाथी के ऊपर धरती को खड़ा कर दिया गया. It is not known. And we can prove it also. As per Shastra, I will prove it also to you. Whole universal egg is on the Sheshnag. The whole universal egg is on the Sheshnag, whereas this is on the only the earth. Earth is on a bhu, means it's a flat. उसमें आपका किम पुरुष लोका, ये लोका, वो लोका, बहुत सारे लोग आएगा, सब भागवत में आएगा. And all these are there are Jambudvip. In Jambudvip, they said fruits are such big fruits, such huge fruits. जैसे वो गिरेगा एक नदी बहेगा जूस का. हाँ, so huge. हाँ, जम्बूद्वीप पे भरत भरते 12 घंटे भैरव दर्शन पार्श्व, कि हम लोग हर मंत्र में बोलते हैं, उसका मीनिंग मालूम नहीं किसी को. हम लोग हर पूजा पाठ में क्या बोलते हैं? जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतखंडे मेरो दक्षिणे पार्श्वे शताब्दी वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके. दिस इज हाउ द मंत्र स्टार्ट्स, द संकल्प स्टार्ट्स. नहीं, नॉट जम्बूद्वीप. जम्बूद्वीपे, इन जम्बूद्वीप, इन वन कॉर्नर दिस अर्थ इज फिक्स्ड. इन जम्बूद्वीप इज वेरी बिग, उसमें एक कॉर्नर में अर्थ है. एंड हम लोग हमको सब मालूम है, हम आइसलैंड कवर करेगा, ग्रीनलैंड कवर करेगा, ये करेगा, वो करेगा, तेल के लिए झगड़ा करेगा. फूल्स फाइटिंग फॉर रशियन ऑयल एंड अमेरिकन ऑयल. इडियट्स. इट्स क्लियरली शोज दैट इट इज अटैच्ड to the bottom. So bottom line is the various lokas form the various parts of the body when you see it from the Virat Rupa's angle. It is a representative. Don't take it as actual. It is a representative illustration of the various lokas in the form of a body. जैसा आप कई बार योगा का चार्ट देखते हो, कैन यू सी एनी चक्रा? किसी का चक्रा दिखते हैं, बट हाउ इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड. हाँ, यहाँ पे ये चक्र है, यहाँ पे ये चक्र है, यहाँ पे ये चक्र है, एंड दीज आर एक्टिवेटेड एंड ऑल दैट. है चक्र है, बट दिस इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
The chest of the original personality of the gigantic form is the luminary planetary system. His neck is the Mahar planets. His mouth is the Janas planets. And his forehead is the Tapas planetary system. The topmost planetary system, known as Satyalok, is the head of he who has 1000 heads. Next one. His arms are the demigods, headed by Indra. The 10 directional sides are his ears, and physical sound is his sense of hearing. His nostrils are the 2 Ashwini Kumaras, and material fragrance is his sense of smell. His mouth is the blazing fire.
आप अगर विराट रूप का अगर फोटो ढंग से देखोगे, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली ड्रॉन, भगवान के मुख से अग्नि निकल रही है, तो अग्नि देवता का वास यहाँ पे है. इसके लिए हम लोग हवन करके, वाई वी ऑफर एवरीथिंग इन फायर, it is going into the mouth of the Vishnu. तो वी आर ऑफरिंग इट टू फायर. इसके लिए फायर में हवा इसमें डालते हैं, चावल, घी, ये वो सब मंत्र करके स्वाहा स्वाहा करके क्यों डाल रहे हैं? स्वाहा इज द वाइफ ऑफ अग्नि देवता. तो अग्नि देवता की वाइफ के नाम पे वो अग्नि देवता की वाइफ लेती है, अग्नि देवता उसको कंज्यूम करके भगवान को पहुंचाते, बिकॉज ही इज द माउथ ऑफ द लॉर्ड. देन यू आर सीइंग द 2 अश्विनी कुमार्स ऑफ द नॉस्ट्रल्स. सो ऑल देवतास कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द, जैसे गाय में 33 करोड़ देवी देवता है, राइट? और लक्ष्मी जी कहाँ पे? पूछने गोबर के नियर द एनस. लेट्स पुट इट वेरी ब्लंटली, इट इज नियर द एनस. दैट इज वाई गोबर का लेपन होता है. वाई यू हैव गोबर लेपन? बिकॉज लक्ष्मी जी का वास उसमें है. बिकॉज व्हेन लक्ष्मी जी सेड आई ऑल्सो वांट अ प्लेस, होल बॉडी वॉज ऑलरेडी ऑक्यूपाइड. मैं नाक पकड़ा, मैं कान पकड़ लिया, मैंने अपना अपना पोस्ट पकड़ लिया. ऐसे होते हैं ना, सब लोग अपना अपना पोस्ट पकड़ लेते हैं. तो अब मेरे लिए क्या कोई जगह बचा नहीं. नोबडी वांटेड टू टेक दैट प्लेस near the anus. So she said, okay, I'll take the part near the bottom. So that is why the gobar, that is the cow dung, has got such high medicinal plus spiritual. कोई भी यज्ञ हो पहला उससे ही लेपन होता है, उसके ऊपर ही यज्ञशाला बनता है. The sacrificial ground is made on that. That is the reason why it is said that. So that is how all these devatas are, say they're in his hands. Indra forms the hands, right? The Indra, the 10 directional sides. Indra forms the arms are the demigod headed by Indra. Then directional sides are his ears, and physical sound is the smell of sense of hearing. So, I mean, there's no much depth to be explained. But you can just understand. This is the way in which it is mentioned. Please continue.
The sphere of outer space constitutes his eye pits, and the eyeball is the sun as the power of seeing. His eyelids are both the day and night, and in the movement of his eyebrows, Brahma and similar supreme personalities reside. His palate is the director of water, Varuna, and the juice or essence of everything is his tongue.
जीवा के अंदर वरुणा है, watery है ना, saliva is watery, it is Varuna. And then what you are seeing is eyebrows में ब्रह्मा जी बैठे हैं. आँख बंद हुआ तो नाइट हुआ, खुला तो डे हुआ. एंड बोथ हिज आइज आर सूर्य देवता हिमसेल्फ. तो भगवान भगवद गीता में बोलते हैं, आई एम द सन, आई एम द मून ऑल्सो, आई होल्ड द सन एंड द मून. सो ऑल दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड. कल अगर आप बोलेंगे नहीं सूर्य देवता ही भगवान है, वही विष्णु है, भगवान ने बोला, अरे भगवान ने ये भी बोला है कि भाई मैं आपके अंदर भी हूँ, मैं आपके अंदर भी हूँ. एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ परमात्मा आई एम देयर इन everyone, each and every soul, and without me you cannot function. अगर एक सेकेंड भी अगर परमात्मा बोले चलो मैं घूम के आता हूँ, गया डुब, यू हैव टू डाई, यू कांट सर्वाइव. सो वेयर इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ you being separate from God at any moment. You are not separate from God at any moment. That is why you don't have to separately say, no, I will come to the temple and visit God. The minute you close your eyes and focus your connection with God, you are connected. The problem is, less intelligent people are not smart enough to do it. इसके लिए, okay, come to the temple. See the temple. See the Vigraha, see the Archa Vigraha. Archa Vigraha is also God. I am not denying. Because I last time only explained. अर्च विग्रह का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में विराट रूप का एक एक मंत्र लेके आप इनके भुजाओं में बैठो, आप इनके चरणों में बैठो, आप इनके जिह्वा में बैठो, आप इनकी आंखों में बैठो. You know, it's infused. The entire the Archa Vigraha is infused with the Virat Rupa's knowledge. Please continue.
They say that the Vedic hymns are the cerebral passage of the Lord, and his jaws of teeth are Yama, god of death, who punishes the sinners. The art of affection is his set of teeth, and the most alluring usury material energy is his smile. This great ocean of material creation is but the casting of his glance over us.
This is the only effort he does. In creating the entire universe, he has to just put a glance. Divya Drishti. if you go more understanding from the Acharya's point of view, this beam of light which falls, this drishti which falls, is considered as Shiva. Is considered Shiva. So in the form of Shiva, he creates something which is inferior. This material world is inferior, right? It's not superior. So he glances with his eye. So it is through Shiva in the form of the Shiva Linga. He is infusing it, everything in the. And who is his wife? Shiva's wife? Parvati. Parvati is Durga Devi. Durga Devi is the Adhishtrata Devi of this material world. So the male form, the female form, all the lives are enlivened back when the creation starts, and when the creation is over, again Shiva himself destroys it. So you will say Shiva creates? No. Under the power, under the empowerment of Lord Vishnu, Shiva creates. Mataji is confused. Yes. You can see a big question mark in her face.
Roger, I have many questions today.
ठीक है, बाद में लेंगे.
Modesty is the upper portion of his lips, anchoring in his chin. Religion is the breast of the Lord, and irreligion is his back. Brahmaji, who generates all living beings in the material world, is his genitals, and Mitra Varunas are his two testicles. The ocean is his waist, and the hills and mountains are the stacks of his bones.
So, I mean, it looks so. I mean, if you want to imagine it, it looks weird. Brahmaji's genitals, and the two Mitra Varunas are his testicles, and then religion is his chest, irreligion is his back. So, again, it is categorically you have to understand it as. So, don't take tension, relax. Don't take it. Yes,
the rivers are the veins of the gigantic body, the trees are the hairs of his body, and the omnipotent air is his breath. The passing ages are his movements, and his activities are the reactions of the three modes of material nature.
So this is how you have to see hair is trees. Now आप कल का झाड़ देखोगे, oh, this is the hair of Lord. When you see our Mitti river, so this is the veins of the Lord. क्या और कोई river है ही नहीं बॉम्बे में, क्या करेंगे? So vein of the Lord. So the point is, all is representative. Don't take it in the actual sense. The mountains are the bones of the Lord. So means everything is in connection with God. Nothing is independent of God. कुछ भी देखोगे. Now why it is said beautiful ये जो स्विट्जरलैंड का पहाड़ियाँ या माउंट एवरेस्ट की पहाड़ियाँ and all that, whatever the beautiful sceneries, this is called as smile of the Lord. Illusionary. Why? All looks beautiful. Like to go for a vacation? Yes, everyone will go. स्विट्जरलैंड जाएंगे, 4 दिन वो beautiful mountains देखेंगे, snow clad and all. But after 1 week, why? It was illusionary happiness. It was illusionary happiness. You have gone over there just to have that feel good factor. But after a few days, you need to come back to your own same old concrete jungle. You cannot say, no, it was so nice, वहीं मेरा मन वहाँ पे. एक बार वृंदावन में आपका मन रह सकता है, चित्रकूट में आपका रह सकता है, अयोध्या में रह सकता है, उन जगहों पे मन रहता नहीं. इसके लिए every vacation your destination changes, whereas yatras don't change. Destination for vacations do change. Why? Because that is illusionary energy. Smile of the Lord. You like it, but you don't. Your soul is not getting connected to it. Whereas when you go to a place where Lord has played some Leela, though you have seen it, though you know it, you still want to go and enjoy it. It's like that. Yes, please continue.
O best amongst the Kurus, the clouds which carry water are the hairs on his head. The termination of days or nights are his dress, and the supreme cause of material creation is his intelligence. His mind is the moon, the reservoir of all changes. The principal matter, Mahatattva, is the consciousness of the omnipresent Lord, as asserted by the experts, and the Rudra Deva is his ego. The horse, mule, camel, and elephants are his nails, and wild animals and all quadrupeds are situated in the bed zone of the Lord.
This is called the bed zone of the Lord. So all quadrupeds, all four-legged animals, all that, they are in this.
Varieties of birds are indications of his masterful artistic sense. Manu, the father of mankind, is the emblem of his standard intelligence, and humanity is his residence. The celestial species of human beings, like the Gandharvas,
Vidyadharas and Chanaras,
and angels, all represent his musical rhythm, and the demoniac soldiers are representation of his wonderful prowess. The Virat Purusha's face is the Brahmanas, his arms are the Kshatriyas, his thighs are the Vaishyas, and the Shudras are under the protection of his feet. All the worshipable demigods are also overtaken by him, and it is the duty of everyone to perform sacrifices with feasible goods to appease the Lord.
So, first it was talking about the planetary system. Then it was talking about the mountains, rivers, trees, clouds and all that. Then in between he talked about the Ashwini Kumars are his nostrils, Brahmaji's genitals, this, that, all the details were speaking. Now he is talking about the four Varnas and the four ashrams. The four Varnas, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Now they are described as head, feet, or the Shudras are the feet, Brahmanas are the head, Kshatriyas are the hand, and the Vaishyas are the belly.
I have thus explained to you the gross material gigantic conception of the personality of God. One who seriously desires liberation concentrates his mind on this form of the Lord, because there is nothing more than this in the material world.
So, does this not attribute to Nirakar Swarup? Does it not attribute to the Nirakar Swarup? निराकार जिसको एक रफ स्वरूप आप दे रहे हो, planetary systems, trees and all that. So what is the basic formula is Lord in the form of Brahman has to be understood. If you don't understand Lord in the form of Brahman also, then also it is a problem. And one who understands that, what is this verse saying? Thus I have explained the gross material gigantic conception of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. One who seriously desires liberation concentrates his mind on this form of the Lord, because there is nothing more than this in the material world. यानी कि भगवान कहते हैं ना, जन्म करवच में दिव्यम एवं यो वेति तत्वतः, जिसको तत्वतः में भगवान को अगर आप जानना है तो you got to know this also. When you see the sun, oh, this is the eye of the Lord. When you see the day and night, oh, these are the eyelashes of the Lord. You got to remember that also. That means what? How will you remember God? अब भगवान को कैसे याद करो?
Nature में everything is Lord.
Everything, wherever you see, whatever you see is if you see in connection with God, there is at no point you will be separated from God. No, मेरे को अभी तो गुरु जी को मिलना है, मंदिर में जाना है, भगवान का माला देखना, माला नाम भगवान का विग्रह देखना है. नो, आप घर के बाहर देखो झाड़, ओ ये तो भगवान के बाल हैं. जैसे क्लाउड्स आ गए, ओ भगवान के बाल आ गए, सिर का बाल आ गए. हाँ, सूर्य देवता आ गए.
One who seriously desires liberation concentrates his mind on this form of the Lord. So we have to only concentrate on this form.
No, those yogis who are sitting in the jungle, they are not doing any Vigraha worship. Who do they follow? Whom do they concentrate? They concentrate either in the 400 form with the Lord in the heart, or they form on the... See, there are three Swarupa hai. Virat Swarupa, Paramatma Swarupa और भगवान स्वरूप. तीन स्वरूप है. चॉइस आपका है, बट नॉलेज आपको तीनों का होना चाहिए. इफ यू हैव ओनली, नहीं भगवान इज ओनली, मेरा कृष्ण ही भगवान है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट इज इनकम्प्लीट नॉलेज. लॉर्ड सेज चतुर्विध विधा भजन्ते माम जना सुकृतिनो अर्जुन आर्थो जिज्ञासु अर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतरसभ. लॉर्ड क्लियरली सेज दैट. तो इन दिस 4 ही सेज ज्ञानी इज अति प्रिय, प्रभु ज्यादा प्रिय है. क्यों? बहुजन्मानामन्ते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यन्ते वासुदेवम सर्वमिति. अगर आप ये मोबाइल पे उठाते हो तो आपको, अगर इफ यू आर इन दैट मोड, इफ यू आर इन दैट जोन, देन यू विल सी दिस ऑल्सो. वो ये भी भगवान की वजह से चल रहा है. अभी गिरेगा, टूट जाएगा, भगवान मतलब उसके अंदर का भगवान निकल गया, इसके लिए वो टूट गया. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. So everything you have to understand. Today I was typing and I don't know, suddenly my computer hanged, my laptop hanged, and last 5 minutes में जो मैंने टाइप किया था वो पूरा गया. I had to restart. जब restart तो रिकवरी में जितना पुराना था वही रिकवर हुआ, ज़्यादा रिकवर नहीं हुआ. So I had to retype. आधा retype करके then I left for the class. Point is, at that time I should understand, oh, that means I have written something wrong which God did not want. God did not want. He wanted me to. Now I can't recollect what I have written because this comes directly by flow of the mind. So immediately I have to retype. Then मैंने बंद किया. I will recommend the night and I will think what to write. So this is how. If you are thinking, oh, this idiot computer, how it conked off, how it shut down, how it got hung up. Everything, whatever is happening, you know, एक बहुत पुराना कहावत है. परिंदा भी पर मारता है तो भगवान की. So you have to be in that concept. Yes, whatever is happening is because of God. It is happening because of God's desire or God's wish, and when you are in that concept, anything whatever you see, God. Anything whatever you see is God. You see the mountains, beautiful mountains. If you go now tomorrow with Switzerland with this knowledge, then you can see that, oh, these are the limbs of the body of Lord. The same Alp mountains will look different for you this time. Why? Because you're going with knowledge. The same sun, sunlight will come, oh wow, this is the eyes of the Lord. The beautiful snow-clad mountains, this and that, oh, this is the smile of the Lord. It is illusionary because after 10 minutes, I am shivering. I want to go for a heater room inside where I can get some heater or I can get some hot drink to drink, you know, something. That means what? That is not giving you bliss. So again, you have to understand that to be Lord's illusionary power. Continue.
One should concentrate his mind upon the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who alone distributes himself in so many manifestations, just as ordinary persons create thousands of manifestations in dreams.
Like God, man has thousands of manifestations in his dreams, Lord can also manifest thousands of things. Please continue.
One must concentrate the mind on the only all blissful, absolute truth. Otherwise, one will be misled and will cause his own degradation.
So only see the whole purpose of the entire process of devotion. चाहे आप वो माला करो, चाहे वो आप अर्च विग्रह का सेवा करो, भगवान को अच्छा पोशाक पहनाओ, अच्छा भोग खिलाओ, ये करो, वो करो. What is the actual goal?
To be connected to the Lord.
No. To please Lord. No.
To ponder over him, उनके बारे में सोचना.
मयि एव मन आदत्स्व मयि बुद्धिर निवेशया निवासस्य माम एव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. What is Lord saying? मयि एव मन आदत्स्व. Eva, only on me you put your mind. The problem is, okay, our 5 gross senses. You cannot offer gross senses because when you die, your senses are with you, but they are not functioning because the power for that is going with the soul. The soul. And senses never say, the sense never says, I want to eat rasgulla, I want to eat pav bhaji, I want to eat momos. Senses never say. What says is the mind. And mind, you know, one step ahead, it is not the mind. The mind wonders, who wants to eat? And the ego says, I want to eat. It is the ego which says, I want to eat the mango, I want to eat the apple, I want to eat this, I want to eat that, or I want to wear this, or I want to buy this. So what says is the ego. ईगो अंदर से आवाज करती है. नहीं तो माइंड इज ऑल्सो कंफ्यूज्ड. मैं शरीर नहीं हूं, मैं तो आत्मा हूं. सो हु इज द कल्प्रिट? द आई, टू आइडेंटिफाई हिमसेल्फ विद द ऑब्जेक्ट, विद एंजॉइंग दैट स्टफ. व्हाट ही डज? दिस ईगो क्रिएट्स अ आइडेंटिटी. भाई मैं राम कुमार वॉन्ट्स टू ईट रसगुल्ला. दैट्स वाई होटल में आप क्या खाओगे? हाँ मेरे लिए पाव भाजी बोलना, मेरे लिए मसाला डोसा बोलना, मेरे लिए ये बोलना, वो बोलना. क्यों बोलते हो? Who is that I? It is not the tongue, it is not the ears, it's your ego which says, who wants, let's say, you want a cookie? You will say, yes, I want a cookie. Who wants a cookie? I want a cookie. The body is not saying I want. The body is a dead matter. So it is the mind in conjunction with the ego. It says, I want to enjoy. So the problem is, our mind is always chanchalami mana krishna pramati balvat dridam. And the whole process का of devotion का sole goal क्या है? Put the mind on God. Once you put the mind on God, everything automatically follows. अभी एक आदमी ने सोच लिया मैं आज गलत काम करने वाला हूँ माइंड में, स्पेशली those who are habituated to drink or non-veg or illicit sex, whatever it is. Oh, today is a weekend, I have to enjoy. Especially you see New Year, कोई संबंध ही नहीं है. कोई संबंध नहीं है. You need a reason to nonsense. You need a reason to. तुम्हारा न्यू ईयर का क्या संबंध है? Same tomorrow morning you get up, the same boss, the same dug up roads, the same traffic, everything same. What is changing? Your husband is the same, your mother is the same, your sister-in-law is the same, everything is the same, your wife is the same. What is changing? The same boss, same office, same colleagues, everything same. Then what? Your mind just takes out a reason to enjoy. And when this reason to enjoy comes, these matters come into place. The main crook and the culprit is the mind. And the mind is still not convinced that I will get happiness through devotion alone. That is why I have seen all spiritual people want material break. All spiritual people want material break. And all material people want spiritual. They come here. That's why donations इतने आते हैं. वो आते हैं spiritual break के लिए. Right? That is the problem. If one wants to really change himself truly, he wants to be the end crux of devotion is मेरा मन लग गया. Don't act as if your mind is on God. Truly the mind has to be on God. People generally act. They pretend as if their mind is this and that. It's false. Don't cheat yourself. That's the biggest blunder you can ever do to yourself. अपने आप को धोखा मत दो. यस माइंड कूद रहा है, चलो आज घूमने जाते हैं, आज वीकेंड है, आज उधर जाएंगे, लॉन्ग वीकेंड है तो और कहीं दूर जाएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे. ऑलरेडी हो गया आज ट्रैफिक पुनः एक्सप्रेस हाईवे जैम्ड. आफ्टरनून आ गया न्यूज़. एंड आजकल ये नया चल रहा है ना, वो पेंगुइन गुम हो गया बोल के. आई डोंट नो, ऑल द यंग जनरेशन मस्ट बी नोइंग अबाउट इट. यंगस्टर्स यू नो, अरे आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है. एक पेंगुइन 6 साल पहले डॉक्यूमेंट्री शूट कर रहा था. द पेंगुइन्स गो इन वन लाइन. वन पेंगुइन मूड आउट ऑफ इट. हाँ वो मूड आउट ऑफ इट. एंड अभी तक वेयर इज द पेंगुइन आफ्टर 6 years पीपल आर आस्किंग. See how mind is idiotically working. And whole internet is flooded with these memes and all that. Craziness. Because mind cannot stay idle. That is why you see dreams. You are sleeping, the mind is not sleeping. Mind is fully working. That is why आपको खट करके आवाज आया. Ears just don't receive. Mind actually works on it. वो खुद खट करके आवाज आया, क्या हुआ देखो, क्या दरवाजा, क्या आवाज आ रहा है, कौन चिल्ला रहा है, व्हाटएवर इट इज. It means mind is always on. And the problem is the mind is not yet convinced that our devotion is the only path of liberation, salvation or enjoyment. ये अभी तक माइंड को कन्विंस नहीं हुआ. Unless until the mind is not convinced, whatever you do, however you do, it is not going to give you any tangible result in your devotional process. भगवान को रोज 56 भोग खिलाओ, भगवान को बढ़िया पोशाक पहनाओ, भगवान का लाखों माला घुमाओ, कुछ भी कर लो, it is not going to give you your desired result because you are still reserving the mind with yourself. Mind आप लगाओ भगवान के ऊपर, then things will change. And this is what is बहुजन्माना मनते. ज्ञानवान. What is that ज्ञानवान? Now he has become knowledgeful. कि भाई बाकी सब पे लगा के देखा, घर वालों पे लगाया, दुनिया पे लगाया, सब ने एंड में धोखा दिया. इसके लिए एक महाराज बहुत अच्छा कहते हैं कि भाई आप जिस पे दिमाग लगाना है उस पे आप दिल लगा दो. दिमाग बीवी पे लगाओ, बच्चे पे लगाओ, घर वालों पे लगाओ, हाँ दोस्तों यार दोस्तों पे लगाओ, रिश्तेदारों पे लगाओ, उन पे दिल लगा के अरे यार उसने धोखा दिया, इसने धोखा दिया. और मन कहाँ लगाना है? भगवान के ऊपर लगाना है. और क्या उसके ऊपर दिमाग लगाएंगे. ऐसा कैसा भगवान, ऐसा कैसा सुतल तो लोग में कैसा है, पूछेगा कोई ना कोई ना पूछेगा. ये भगवान ऐसा कैसा है? हाउ कैन दैट पाताल लोक बी डाउन? हाउ कैन दैट विराट रूप में, हाउ कैन सुतल लोक बाय हिज नीज? अरे बाबा वहाँ दिल लगाओ ना, नहीं वहाँ नहीं लगाए, वहाँ दिमाग लगाएंगे. और जहाँ पे वेर यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर हार्ट, यू अप्लाई योर माइंड, एंड वेर यू अप्लाई योर माइंड, यू अप्लाई योर हार्ट, एंड दैट इज वेरी गेट चीटेड. एंड यू ऑलवेज हैव टू, हाँ मैं इतना किया उनके लिए, एंड में मेरा इससे ही हो गया. दैट इज वाई उससे बचने के लिए एक तरीका भी दिया. व्हाट इज द तरीका? कर्मयोग. कर्म करके फल की इच्छा छोड़ दो, मत करो, नहीं छोड़. यू कैन नॉट दे, मत करो, तुमको अर्पण करना पड़ेगा वो फल. इट इज अ डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग. इट इज अ डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग. आपने 10 रुपये दिया है तो उसके सामने आपको कुछ चाहिए. यू टेक, आपने लिया, एंड फ्रॉम दैट you now that what you got, if you keep it with yourself, you will be dukhi, you will be sad. Give it away, give it up. That is the fruit of the action. So unless and until one doesn't learn to give away the fruits of his action, he will eternally be sad. One, it is going to put you in the karmic cycle, because आपने फ्रूट लिया है, अच्छा हो या बुरा हो, अच्छा है तो स्वर्ग में, बुरा है तो नरक. एंड देन थर्ड, ठीक है मैंने अच्छा किया और मैंने फ्रूट नहीं लिया, तो भगवान क्या बोलते हैं? चलो सुकृति, थर्ड कैटेगरी में डाल दिया. अभी थर्ड कैटेगरी में डाल तो दिया है, वो भी भोगना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए सत्संग में जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, आपको सत्संग देंगे, वहाँ आपको सत्संग में डालेंगे, बट माइंड इज अ क्रुक. माइंड इज अ क्रुक. आज लेट्स गो टू पार्टी, लेट्स गो टू सम कॉन्सर्ट, सैटरडे नाइट, बहुत दिन हो गया, गज़ल सुनने जाते हैं, ये सुनने जाते हैं, विल गो आउट. बस तो मिला है सुकृति, बट फिर भी वो, दैट इज वाई ही सेज बहु जन्माना मनते ज्ञानवान महाप्रभु. बहुत जन्म लगता है, यू नो, गेट दैट. एंड अच्छा, नाउ व्हेन आई एम्फसाइज ऑन दिस, यू ऑलवेज, हाँ प्रभु जी आपने बोला ना बहुत जन्म, बाय 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 बाय.
इसमें भी दिमाग लगाएंगे.
That was too much यार. उसमें भी आप बोलेंगे नहीं अच्छा आपने बोला ना बहुत जन्म, तो अभी ये जन्म तो होने वाला नहीं, फुकट का क्यों वेस्ट करूँ. जाता हूँ घर पे जाके आराम रहता हूँ, टीवी देखता हूँ, घूमता हूँ, सैटरडे नाइट मॉल घूमता हूँ. नहीं, बिट बाय बिट स्टार्ट अक्यूमुलेटिंग योर सुकृति. अगर आपने अपना सुकृति अक्यूमुलेट नहीं किया तो इट इज ऑफ नो यूज, एंड यू हैव टू रिडीम इट स्पिरिचुअली ओनली. डोंट ट्राई टू रिडीम इट मेटेरियली. भगवान मैं इतना आपका भक्ति कर रहा हूँ, मेरा नहीं हुआ, भाई कर्म भी तूने किया है, तू वही भुगत रहा है या सफ़र कर रहा है, वॉट एवर इट इज, एंजॉइंग और सफरिंग, तूने किया हुआ कर्म. एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, why this mind is getting tricked? Why you are not able to offer it? Each person is having his own problem. You have a set of problem, you have a set of problem, you have a set of problem. But the speciality in this world is, what is your problem is never the problem of the other person whom you are seeing. That is the speciality. Let's say, for me, let's say my health is an issue. I see, अरे कितना फिट है, मुझसे 4 साल बड़ा है फिर भी ये आदमी फिट है, मैं उससे 4 साल छोटा हूँ फिर भी मेरे हेल्थ इश्यूज़ है. वो देखता है अरे इसको हेल्थ इश्यूज़ है पर कम से कम उसको फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ नहीं है. आई एम हैविंग फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम. अच्छा, वो दोनों को तीसरा आदमी देख रहा है, अरे तुमको इसको तो चलो यार फाइनेंशियली है, मेरा तो बेटा है देख, मैं कमा रहा हूँ पूरा खाली कर रहा है. सो दैट प्रॉब्लम दिस फेलो कैन नॉट सी. Everyone feels, and that's the way we present ourselves also. Right?
Everyone feels his problem is the biggest.
And internally he feels it's the biggest, but externally, kuch, no, nothing, absolutely nothing. Though he's shitting in his pants, but he will never show outside. Outside he will not show his problems. And in the heart of heart, everyone is happy. I am the person who is stuck, and Lord is enjoying. Mast yeah. Because the reason is, each one's karmic reactions are different. Each one's karmic reactions are different. So each one's problem is going to be unique and different. I know people who earn lakhs a month, but you go and ask them in a month, can you give me 20,000 rupees? They will say, you give me 5,000 rupees, I need to complete this month. They are in a bad situation. This is also a karmic reaction. कमा रहे हैं, लाखों में कमा रहे हैं पर मंथ, बट स्टिल आने के पहले खर्च कर रहा है. Whatever it is, I mean, I'm not justifying it's right or wrong. I mean, that's how karmic reactions are. And this is what bewilders the mind. The first thing which gets bewildered is not your intelligence, it's your mind. The mind is like, it's like, and the mind's job is thinking, willing, feeling. Okay, I am feeling sad, I should become happy. Intelligence, tell me, how will I become happy? Oh, okay, what we'll do? Okay, we'll have an ice cream, we'll become happy. Oh, we'll go to the hotel and have a nice food. Or we'll have drink, we'll drink alcohol, we'll eat non-veg, whatever it is. As the case, the mind is giving signals. The brain intelligence giving signals, and the mind says, oh, yes, paisa nahi hai, main udhar hi lunga, daru piyunga. I'll beg, borrow, but I'll drink. Then he drinks, or he does the nonsense, and then he realizes that he's still not happy, he's still sad. So this is a vicious circle. But in this process, he has done one karma, and that karma is already, we have got immense backlog of karma. It gets added. आपका करोड़ों रुपए में 1 करोड़ में 1 रुपया और ऐड हो गया, ऐसे एक एक करके जमा होते जाते, वो एंड में काटना है. And where will after in the process of executing the law of karma, where will the mind have some time for God? Tell me honestly, we people itself, right from morning to night, all of you all have got a busy schedule. You have to get up in the morning, cook, run to the office, do this, do that, and that between you squeeze out some time and you chant and do whatever possible, it's possible you do. Is it not a reaction of karmic or earlier karmic reactions? Why we are not able to do? No doubt, to survive today we need wealth also. Today without wealth you cannot survive for a minute. Then how will you get things managed? The only things to get managed is whatever situation you are, whether using this Virata Swarupa, this knowledge, get your mind connected with God at every stage of the day. Evening is also, this is evening, this is the Lord's eyelashes, now it's going to closed, this is night. You don't have to go to any temple or out, just go out. ऑफिस के बाहर देखो, ओ अच्छा धूप निकला है, सन निकला, वो आँख देख रहा है भगवान मेरे, he is seeing me. At least for a moment, get yourself connected. In due course of time, yes, definitely that time will come where you will be totally connected with God. Okay, so the bottom line of the whole thing is, we have to offer the mind. And हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पैसा, धन भी तेरा, सब कुछ तेरा, मन मेरा, ना वो भजन है ना, तेरा तुझको अर्पण, ये अर्पण, वो अर्पण, मन में नहीं हो। और भगवान बोलते वो सब तू रख, ये सब मैं तुझे दिया है, वापर, जितना वापरना है वापर, मन दे मुझे। बिकॉज वी ऑफ द फीलिंग, मन अगर हमने उनको दे दिया तो हम भोग नहीं पाएंगे। इंट्रिंसिकली वी नो वेरी वेल दैट अगर मन दे दिया भगवान को, हम भोग नहीं पाएंगे। That is the reason, be it, you know, you may be a nice, wearing a nice dhoti kurta, nice tilak and all that stuff. These are all externals. This doesn't matter. Unless and until you are in a position to offer your mind, rest of the things will not work. Okay, with this I'd like to close today's session. And with this we are finishing chapter 1 of Canto 2. So we'll start from chapter 2 next time.